Kamabuhay, Kamabuhayers, Kamabuhay. Today is Garbage Day Disposal, Basura Day here in Residential Del Rio, Davao. So here I am bringing with me my garbage bags, 2 garbage bags. This is just few meters away from our residence. So I will be looking for an area where I can dispose our garbage for 1 week. Our waste here in the garbage bag. So let's go. Let's look for the place, designated place. Actually, there are many designated places just near the area, the place where we live. Oh, here it is. There are already 3 garbage bags, so I have to place my just few meters, just few steps from our residence is the designated area wherein you can bring your garbage bags or whatever that you need to dispose. That is scheduled every Wednesday. So let's look somewhere there nearby designated areas. This is one reason why I decided to spend my city life, another designated area. So the garbage truck will just pick it up.